You're watching Times Now. My name is Amita Wadhwa. Straight away getting you these pictures that are now coming in from Jantar Mantar. We are reporting live in the first pictures that are playing here on Times Now that calls for this Delhi police crackdown that has now begun on stage, where for the last 21 days hunger strike and this movement against the union government and the education minister was spearheaded by Sonam Wangchuk and the Cockroach Janata Party. And now on day 21 of his hunger strike and 2 days before the monsoon session of parliament, we're looking at this crackdown on part of the police. There has been additional forces that has also been deployed, and now the protesters are now being removed, and an appeal that has also come in from the Delhi police's side saying that this action followed on the orders that came in from the Delhi High Court, and also asking for all the protesters there at the site to peacefully vacate the Jantar Mantar area. The police that landed the protest site early this morning, this is a Saturday morning that we are now looking at, and has now shifted Sonam Wangchuk to reports suggest that Safdarjung Hospital there, he was immediately whisked off in the ambulance that was parked next to the stage, which was covered by bedsheets as he was being removed from the stage, from where he has been sitting on an indefinite hunger fast. And amidst the sloganeering and the protest on part of the people there on ground, as the supporters of Sonam Wangchuk wanted to stop the Delhi police from shifting away or taking away Sonam Wangchuk to a hospital. Now this police action that came ahead of the hearing in the Delhi High Court over Sonam Wangchuk's deteriorating health, the court had directed the authorities to conduct daily medical monitoring, and of course had also observed that life of any citizen is precious. So let's connect with Sabyasachi. We are increasing our presence on ground as well, so getting you these pictures and of course the latest updates that continue. Because as far as even when it comes to the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party, which is Abhijit Dipke, he is also, according to a statement, that he's been detained and he's been taken away from Jantar Mantar. Sabyasachi is connected with us right now. Sabya, live pictures. What is the situation on ground? Pictures earlier suggested that protesters there were being forcefully removed by the police. We are also looking at the significant presence of women police personnel as well on ground, where there are women protesters who are also being forcefully removed from the protest site, who have been indulging in sloganeering and have also been indulging in a scuffle with the police personnel. There you can see this high drama that seems to be unfolding, and the police that made constant announcements at Jantar Mantar that their action is following the direction of the Delhi High Court, and due to the failing health of Sonam Wangchuk, that they have decided to act on it. Let's connect with Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, live pictures, and explain to us the situation right now on the ground.
Well, that's right. Let me straight away show you the visuals around. You can see this was the stage of the CJP, where Sonam Wangchuk did a hunger strike for almost 21 days. Now the stage is empty. Some of the supporters of the CJP are currently present out here, but massive deployment of the rapid action forces, the Delhi police, as well as the central forces. You can see more police are being called in. Now you can see the DCP is speaking. We'll try to get a word from the DCP.
के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और मेडिकल एडवाइस के अनुसार श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से अप्रोप्रिएट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल, जो मच नीडेड मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन है, उसके लिए ले जाया गया है और अंडर मेडिकल सुपरविजन।
सर, यहाँ पर तमाम
लोगों को भी, जो बाकी लोग हैं, इनको कब हटाया जाएगा सर? कौन सा?
ठीक है। देखिए, there you heard the DCP saying that because of the deteriorating health condition of Sonam Wangchuk, he had been shifted to a hospital. Meanwhile, more additional forces have been called in. You can see the massive amount of security forces on ground. You see on your screen the rapid action forces, the Delhi police, the CRPF, all of them are present on ground. Some of the protesters are still out here. They are sloganeering, so attempts are also being made by the central forces, by the Delhi police, to remove them from Jantar Mantar as soon as possible. possible, and the Delhi police have made it very clear that they have not used any sort of force when they were shifting Sonam Wangchuk. The allegation that has come in from CJP, from Abhijit Dipke and others, that forcefully he was detained, but the Delhi police says that the force was not used. In fact, they just followed the High Court order, and based on the High Court order, they had taken Sonam Wangchuk to the hospital. Meanwhile, attempts are also being made on your screen. You can see that some of the protesters are still present out there, and attempts are being made from the police side, from the top official side, to speak with them so that they can leave Jantar Mantar peacefully. Otherwise, more security forces have been called in at Jantar Mantar. Back to you.
Absolutely, because keep explaining the pictures to us, because right now what we are looking at, the RAF which has been deployed, there are police in plain clothes and in uniform as well. The pictures that came in where Sonam Wangchuk, there you can see, covered with bed sheets, and he was swiftly whisked away by the police there to the nearby parked ambulance. And according to the police latest reaction that is now coming in, saying that they have asked the protesters to peacefully vacate the Jantar Mantar grounds, and also saying that medical intervention was necessary, and they are only following the orders that have been given by the Delhi High Court. But again, when we go to the specifics of the Delhi High Court order, Sabyasachi, does it actually mention that he needs to be shifted to the hospital? Because as far as his doctors are concerned, who are monitoring his health continuously on stage, have been making that appeal to Sonam Wangchuk that he ends his fast.
Well, that's right. See, in fact, the Delhi High Court did not specifically mention that he needs to be taken. But let me show you the visuals around. You can see now the sloganeering have been increased at Jantar Mantar. I'll request my camera person just to follow me and show you the visuals around. You can see the protesters are still out here sloganeering, and attempts and announcement from the Delhi police are continuously being made to remove the protesters, and requests are being made by the administration to the protesters to leave Jantar Mantar peacefully. Now, the Delhi High Court has very specifically told Centre that do whatever it takes to Sonam Wangchuk's life. Now, following the Delhi High Court order, the Delhi police took action today, and they decided to shift Sonam Wangchuk to a hospital, looking at his deteriorating health condition. Meanwhile, the protesters are still present out here. There is some sort of tussle which is going on. The rapid action forces have been called in. The entire Jantar Mantar has been completely cordoned off. Nobody is allowed to enter Jantar Mantar, because as the day progress, we will see that more numbers of protesters used to be present at Jantar Mantar. But today, the entire Jantar Mantar, all the roads leading to Jantar Mantar, has been completely cordoned off. There is some sort of clash currently that is happening between the protesters and the security forces. But we just heard what
are willing to speak, Sabyasachi, because I'm just looking at the timeline of Abhijit Dipke's last post, where he seems to be anticipating that the police action would soon follow.
Well, that's right. See, a lot of the protesters, whether it is Abhijit Dipke, in fact, they had predicted that police action will be taken. Now you can see the sloganeering has intensified at Jantar Mantar. High slogans are being continuously raised against the Delhi police, and the DCP, along with the top officials, are present at Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, there is still a large amount of supporters who are present at Jantar Mantar, as the news spread that Sonam Wangchuk has been taken away from Jantar Mantar and he has been shifted to a hospital. Some of the protesters, in fact, tried to get in. Some are also on their way. But the entire Jantar Mantar has been cordoned off. Now slogans of "Hi, Sharam Karo" are being raised by the supporters, and they are continuously sloganeering. Meanwhile, on the other hand, the announcement also are being continuously made by the Delhi police to the protesters to vacate Jantar Mantar as soon as possible, because see, they took the permission to carry out protest in Jantar Mantar for a day, but the protest in fact went for quite a long time, and they did not have the permission. and the court in fact very clearly told the center that do whatever it takes to save Sonam Wangchuk's health, and that is the reason because of its deteriorating health condition, and more than 8 kilograms Sonam Wangchuk has lost during his hunger strike, and that was the reason why this action was taken from the Delhi police side. Meanwhile, the protesters of the Cockroach Janata Party who are currently present out here, they are refusing to leave the protest site. We have seen early and showed exclusively to our viewers that how some of the protesters were forcefully removed from Jantar Mantar area, but still there are protesters who are present out here, and they are sloganeering against the Delhi police.
Absolutely, the sloganeering continues, and it seems that the Cockroach Janata Party is in a way trying to defy the police orders there. Instead of vacating the Jantar Mantar premises, they are trying to consolidate their numbers. And last statement that was also released on part of Abhijit Dipke, he seems to be calling for pan-India peaceful protest, and reports that he has been claiming, Sabyasachi, that he was not there at the site when Sonam Wangchuk was taken away from the stage, but he believes and he claims that he was also beaten up and he was also roughed up, and he has now been taken into detention.
See, this is a claim which has been made by Abhijit Dipke. Now, normally we see that in the morning, Sonam Wangchuk used to be alone with some of the supporters of the CJP. Abhijit Dipke used to come later in the day at around 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning. Now, the action from the Delhi police happened early in the morning when they had detained, when they had taken Sonam Wangchuk to a hospital. Meanwhile, the protest is still going on. I'll request my camera person just to show you these exclusive visuals of the protest at Jantar Mantar. You can see that the protesters are refusing to leave, and they are continuously sloganeering against the Delhi police and against the administration. And the claims that they are making is that Sonam Wangchuk has been forcefully detained from Jantar Mantar, and they are also claiming that along with Sonam Wangchuk, the other leaders of the Cockroach Janata Party were also forcefully detained by the Delhi police. Now, these claims have been completely refused by the Delhi police, and more forces has been called in, whether it is the central forces or the rapid action forces. They have been called in. Now, continuously demands for the resignation of Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan also has been called in, and large number of supporters are coming in. In fact, there is the numbers of the supporters, as I can see in Jantar Mantar, have increased from what was seen early in the morning, because after the news spread that Sonam Wangchuk has been taken to the hospital, more supporters have come in.
So that is what they are attempting to do. Instead of clearing and vacating the Jantar Mantar protest site, they are trying to consolidate their numbers. More reactions and statements that are now coming in from the supporters of Sonam Wangchuk and also from the supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party. However, appeals that have been made continuously on part of Delhi police to vacate the site peacefully. But Sabyasachi, along with Sonam Wangchuk, there were other individuals as well who were sitting on a hunger strike. Have they now also been removed?
Well, see, it is difficult to say that whether all of them have been removed or not, because the situation here currently, what I'm seeing at Jantar Mantar is extremely chaotic. The protesters, their numbers have increased, but the claims that the CJP supporters are making, that along with Sonam Wangchuk, the other protesters who were doing the hunger strike have been detained. Now, let me show you the front side of the stage where Sonam Wangchuk did his hunger strike for 20 days. Now, this is the stage. You can see the bed of Sonam Wangchuk where he used to lie. The entire stage is empty, and in front of the stage is the rapid action forces. I'll request my camera person just to show you these visuals, because this is very symbolic, because you see on your screen the rapid action forces, behind them the Delhi police standing in front of the stage. Meanwhile, the protesters are continuously sloganeering. They are refusing to leave Jantar Mantar. They are demanding that Sonam Wangchuk should be brought back at Jantar Mantar, and all the leaders along with Abhijit Dipke should be immediately released by the Delhi police. And they claim that they have been unlawfully detained, but the announcement are being continuously made by the Delhi police, and it's going to be a challenge for them, because still now the Delhi police says that they have not used any force, and continuous announcements are being made by the Delhi police side.
I think Sabyasachi, just try and connect with some of the supporters and the protesters there, because they seem to be giving out media reactions as well. In the meantime, let me connect with Mr. Saravanan joining in. Mr. Saravanan, would you take a look at this as far as coercive action, because there are political reactions that are coming to it? But, you know, leaving politics aside, wasn't it necessary to intervene as far as the critical stage that Mr. Sonam Wangchuk's health had reached?
Yeah, see, that is true, but the other leaders should be allowed to protest. The question is, why are you taking him off from the place? Why nobody from the government has met him, assured him of something? Assured, if there was some assurances that something will happen, if he was engaged in with some conversation, this would not have happened.
No,
why
but the Delhi police say they are following Delhi High Court orders there, because this compliance was necessary, because his health was deteriorating. I mean, 21 days without food, sir. How do you expect a human to survive?
Why can the Prime Minister not have come? What better job than to come and save the life of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk? Why the Prime Minister has not turned up? Why the Home Minister has not turned up? They should have been there. This is about the future of the children. They are fighting for a right cause. The NTA is totally compromised. The union government is not able to run any examinations without the paper leak.
So what you are suggesting, that he should have continued with the hunger strike?
The BJP government should have engaged.
Should he be brought back to the state, sir?
Huh?
Should he be brought back to the state, sir? What are you suggesting then?
No, I am suggesting, the BJP government should have engaged with him, gave him assurances. They should have told him that they will take some action, or they should have engaged in some talks.
Yes.
That this impasse should not have been allowed to continue.
Yes. But that is also, as we talk about the Delhi police, this is now it also coming in from the side saying that because of the concerns that have been raised on his deteriorating. All right, I'm told that Abhijit Dipke is speaking. Let's cross live.
और जब मैं मेरे दोस्त के घर से निकल, जैसे ही मुझे ये खबर मिली, मैं जंतर मंतर आ रहा था, पुलिस वालों ने मुझे भी मारपीट की, मुझे भी सड़कों पर घसीटा और गेट बंद करके मुझे अंदर रखा और कहता है तू जंतर मंतर कैसा जाता है हम देख लेते हैं। मुझे भी दिल्ली पुलिस ने डिटेन कर रखा था, मेरे साथ भी मारपीट की, मुझे भी घसीटा गया रोड पर, और यहाँ पर जितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे उनके साथ भी दिल्ली पुलिस ने मारपीट की। कहाँ पर वो जिसके साथ मारपीट किया गया? आओ, इसका हाथ दिखाओ।
Well, Sabyasachi, if you are getting us reactions, this is Abhijit Dipke's first statement there that he seems to be giving out. That doesn't suggest that he has been detained or taken into custody. He is now saying that he was not there at the site when Sonam Wangchuk was shifted. And he says that he's been claiming that he was beaten up, he was roughed up by the police. Then how did he make his way to Jantar Mantar?
See, this is a... Well, that is right. This is a claim that Mr. Abhijit Dipke is making, that he was roughed up by the Delhi police. But we just heard what the Delhi police DCP had to say. And in fact, their reaction, they had put out that no force was used by the Delhi police side. Meanwhile, we'll try to get a word from the protesters out here and what they have to say. You can see the protesters the numbers of protesters are completely increasing, but all of them are not speaking. We'll try to get a word from some of the protesters at what their plan of action will be going ahead, and what because they say that here is Abhijit Dipke. Will try to get a word from
जानवर है ये लोग, ये जानवर है।
I think that was Abhijit Dipke's live reaction that was coming in, despite him claiming that he was beaten up and roughed up and stopped by the police from reaching Jantar Mantar. He is very much there. We'll put out exactly what the police reaction also has been to this effect, claiming to say that they are following the orders of the Delhi High Court. It was necessary to intervene at this critical juncture, looking at the deteriorating health condition of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, and at a government hospital. However, the police personnel did not name which hospital that he's been shifted to, but saying that it was the need of the hour. So we play out exactly what the police has to say. Significant presence that we are now looking at the police personnel, also in uniformed and in plain clothes, that has been increased at Delhi's Jantar Mantar.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और मेडिकल एडवाइस के अनुसार श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से अप्रोप्रिएट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जो मच नीडेड मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन है उसके लिए ले जाया गया है और अंडर मेडिकल सुपरविजन.
So under medical supervision, not clear exactly to which government hospital that Sonam Wangchuk has been shifted to. But this seems to be the requirement there, following the orders by the Delhi High Court, and that is now coming in from the police's side, that it was necessary because his health condition that was failing as an emergency, with the fear of his organs also failing and being affected. We'll see if a medical bulletin would be released on part of the hospital there. But Sonam Wangchuk reportedly lost over 8 kgs and his health was deteriorating. And almost in his late 50s now we are looking at, as far as he undertook this 21-day hunger strike, and today was the 21st day that was being observed. And Sabyasachi, the pictures that have been dramatic, I'm just help us, understand. Abhijit Dipke giving reactions there at Jantar Mantar. He initially seems to be saying that he was picked up and detained by the police. Then how come he did, make his way to Jantar Mantar to give out reactions? Because he seems to be consolidating for more support, asking for not just protest to increase at Jantar Mantar, but pan-India peaceful protest. He is now asking for.
Well, that's right. Let me straight away show you the visuals around. You can see Abhijit Dipke currently at Jantar Mantar, and it's a valid question because earlier Abhijit Dipke had raised this allegation against Delhi police that he was roughed up, he was detained. But the question remains that how did he make his way to Jantar Mantar again? Now Abhijit Dipke, along with the supporters of the CJP, are currently sitting down. They are on a hurdle. They are deciding on the future course of action. And as a few minutes earlier he was speaking to the media, he said he had requested more support. He requested more people to come towards Jantar Mantar in large numbers, and given their support to Sonam Wangchuk. Now clearly the numbers of supporters here at Jantar Mantar are increasing. Meanwhile, the hurdle is going on, and once this hurdle ends, we'll know what will be the next course of action. But earlier during there is now a tussle going on. The question that we were discussing. He's also one of the CJP supporter, but he claimed that how did Abhijit Dipke is present at Jantar Mantar when he was detained, when he claimed that he was detained by the Delhi police. Now that person, he has been taken away by the CJP supporters. Very chaotic situation out here at Jantar Mantar today because what I'm making out from the visuals out here, it is very much unclear that what...
Ms. Sagrika Ghosh is also connected with us. Ms. Sagrika Ghosh, I think you've also put out a post and you've called this to be unacceptable on what is happening currently at Jantar Mantar, ma'am.
This is completely unacceptable. This is an egregious use of police force and coercive state power on a completely peaceful protest. This shows that the Modi government is panicking. 2 days before Parliament, the Modi government is panicking. The government is in a state of panic. The morally bankrupt Modi government only knows how to use the danda. They don't know how to take accountability. They don't know how to govern. They don't know how to respond to the people. They only know how to use the danda. Clearly, the Cockroach Janata Party protest and Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike had got under the skin of the government. The government has got under the skin. The High Court order was perfectly clear. What did the High Court say? That you had to monitor the health of Sonam Wangchuk, not use this kind of coercive police force and try to break up a peaceful protest. This is absolutely unacceptable. It shows the moral bankruptcy of the Narendra Modi government. The fact that the Narendra Modi government does not know how to listen. It does not know how to listen to people, how to listen to the voices of young people who are suffering because of these repeated examination leaks. 14 young people have committed suicide. The Narendra Modi government can't listen. All it can do is use the danda and use police force. This is unacceptable, morally bankrupt.
Okay.
It shows that this government has lost all moral legitimacy and it has panicked. The government is in a state of panic.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Sagrika Ghosh, and calling as this action on part of the police to be coercive and condemning what is now being done as far as clearing of the protesters there at Jantar Mantar. But the live pictures suggest that the protesters are now heading for this sit-in dharna at Jantar Mantar despite not following police orders. We'll continue with the live coverage back after a short break. Good morning and welcome. You're watching Times Now. My name is Amita Vadva. Straight away getting you the pictures and this major breaking update that is now coming in with regards to the health status of activist Sonam Wangchuk, who has been on an indefinite hunger strike for the last 21 days. And according to reports that he's now been shifted to the Safdarjung Hospital, the government hospital in the national capital. This morning, the pictures that came in and he was whisked away by the Delhi police. And now, as far as his health status is concerned, he is said to be stable. His vitals are also stable, and we will be getting you shortly as far as a reporter on ground there outside the Safdarjung Hospital, where security that has also been beefed up. He is in a conscious state and his vitals are stable. That is what we are now learning. As far as not clear if there would be a medical bulletin that will be released on part of the hospital authorities there. But Safdarjung Hospital is not very far from the site where Jantar Mantar is located. And Jantar Mantar, which is located right next to the Delhi police headquarters in the national capital. And this action early this Saturday morning is following the orders that has been implemented on part of the Delhi High Court. There has been a significant police presence there. There you can see, we just put out an explainer exactly what had happened this morning. So that is Sonam Wangchuk being whisked away by the Delhi police personnel in plain clothes. There you can see he was waving at the crowd, at his supporters there. And right there at the stage, which was covered with bed sheets, and next to the stage was an ambulance that was parked. So there in slow motion, we just try to highlight Sonam Wangchuk, as you can barely see him, and he seems to be waving to his supporters. And then he was taken to the hospital. Safdarjung Hospital is now being said where he's been shifted to. And according to the updates coming in from the hospital side, what we are now learning according to sources, that he is conscious and his vital parameters are stable. So right now we are looking at, when it comes to medical treatment that seems to have been now given at this crucial stage, because 21 days that he has survived without food. And it has now become critical looking at his stage of health that is being constantly monitored. And a PIL before the Delhi High Court suggested even force feeding. But on the orders that is now being given, which are now being followed by the Delhi police, we are looking at this action also on the supporters there. However, there has been a mild commotion according to the police and this scuffle that was reported earlier. But there are still supporters on ground who are refusing to leave the protest site. They want Sonam Wangchuk back on stage. But there are other individuals as well, along with Sonam Wangchuk, who were on a hunger strike. It is unclear on their whereabouts, but the stage has now been completely emptied on part of the Delhi police following the action early this morning. They say that they were following Delhi High Court orders. And if I quickly describe to our viewers there, because Jantar Mantar often is known as the planned protest site. So for the last 21 days, all of these protesters and supporters of the satirical group, the Cockroach Janata Party, who were camping at Delhi's Jantar Mantar and spearheading that very campaign against the government was Sonam Wangchuk, an activist. And for the last 21 days that he had undertaken this hunger strike, calling for the resignation of the education minister and calling for a dialogue with the central government. And just 2 days ahead of the monsoon session of Parliament, we are looking at what the Delhi police is doing as far as complying with the orders of the Honorable High Court with the protesters who they say have tried to create obstruction. And there was also commotion that also ensued. The police, however, say that they exercised maximum restraint and undertook the exercise safely. So let's connect with Sabya Sachi on this. Sabya, live pictures that are coming in. Instead of vacating the premises, we are looking at more protesters now seem to be adding to Jantar Mantar. A sit-in dharna that is happening.
Well, absolutely right, and let me straight away go to the visuals. You can see the gathering of the protesters have increased at Jantar Mantar, and they have simply refused to follow the instruction of the Delhi police. They say that they are not going to leave Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, the sit-in dharna is right now going on by CJP on your screen. I'll request my camera person just to focus on Mr. Abhijit Dipke, who is currently speaking with the supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party, and he has been requesting the supporters to maintain calm, and they are going to continue their agitation. They are not going to vacate Jantar Mantar. Meanwhile, the security arrangements have also increased in Jantar Mantar. Some tussle are continuously going on, and Mr. Abhijit Dipke, who is currently sitting in and speaking with the CJP protesters. Now, once this discussion gets over, we will get to know what will be the next course of action as far as Cockroach Janata Party is concerned. But one thing, Amita, they have made it very clear that they are not going to leave Jantar Mantar despite the police action, and they have been leveling allegations against the Delhi police, saying that the Delhi police have used force and they have forcibly detained Sonam Wanchuk, and he also made this allegation that he was also detained and he was roughed up, but it seems that he made his way to Jantar Mantar. But clearly the protest is still going on, and the sloganeering against Delhi police is going on, and meanwhile you see on the screen that protesters also have increased in numbers. So shortly from now there is going to be announcement by the Cockroach Janata Party regarding the next course of action, but as of now they have refused to leave Jantar Mantar. Time and again requests have been made by the top officials of the Delhi police to vacate Jantar Mantar peacefully, but the Cockroach Janata Party says that they are not going to leave Jantar Mantar.
Right, but you know, that means, Sabya Sachi, there's not going to be any change as far as their protest is concerned, because Abhijit Dipke continues to maintain that their protest will continue, that Chalo Sansad March that they are planning on the 20th will also continue. So there is going to be no change in program for them.
Well, that's right. See, there is continuous tension, and it's very chaotic because even the supporters of the Cockroach Janata Party, they are having a tussle with the media persons here as well, and anybody who is questioning, in fact, that why the claim that Abhijit Dipke made that he was detained by the Delhi police, but he made his way,
आपका मीडिया नहीं आई थी हमारे पास, हम मीडिया नहीं चाहते हैं, हम नहीं चाहते हैं सर मीडिया, आप प्लीज, हाँ विली, बोलता ना बच्चे हम बाहर हो, चल पहले बाकी काम बाहर हो जाए.
There you go. That
well, Sabya, I know you're trying to speak and engage with the supporters over there also. But right now we're just going to play out reactions that have been coming in on part of the political parties, because it was just up till recently that they started to make a beeline at Jantar Mantar, and they were making these appearances next to Sonam Wangchuk. Let's connect with Priyank also on this. Priyank, the area, it is very significant because I've been giving a quick explainer to the people from where Jantar Mantar is centrally located. Right next to it is the Delhi Police headquarters, and Safdarjung Hospital is also not very far off from the site.
Yes, certainly, Amita. See, there are few things which need to be taken into consideration, because of which the Delhi police has taken this particular stand. One, the parliament session, whenever it starts, section 144 is imposed in this particular area. Now it's 163 of the new law. What is very important that never ever it has been allowed that any march till the parliament has been allowed by the law enforcing agency here in the national capital. And CJP was not at all giving any kind of letter to the Delhi police to seek permission, and whatever used to happen verbally. We kept on asking to senior officials that have you received the letter. They were in a dicey situation because CJP never forwarded any kind of permission letter to the Delhi police. They thought that the manner in which Abhijit came from abroad and he got permission at the airport itself, a similar kind of situation will be allowed. But this time it was a matter of life of someone who has been very valuable for the country. This has been maintained even by the ruling party here. So the matter reached to the High Court. The High Court said that whatever needs to be taken into consideration should be done by the doctors. And there itself we could realize that the court somewhere feels that the doctors should be the best person to see that whether Sonam Wangchuk should be removed from his hunger strike or not, because it has been 20 days. Today, early in the morning, when the doctors finally realized that it is the time for him to be given a better medical treatment, he has now been shifted to the Safdarjung Hospital, where the doctors are right now checking his vitals. What we are getting to know that around 9:30, within an hour from now, there will be health bulletin from the Safdarjung Hospital regarding the health of Sonam Wangchuk. While talking about these areas, certainly the Delhi police did not take Sonam Wangchuk from Jantar Mantar to RML Hospital, which is also a government multi-specialty hospital, because the protesters could have had an easy access to reach there. The police have taken a distance of approximately 15 kilometers from the location of the spot where the protest is happening. In another district, because the New Delhi district
approximately
is
7 to 8 kilometers is something that we are now looking at from Jantar Mantar to the Safdarjung Hospital. They are awaiting if there would be a medical bulletin that would be released. But what we are learning that Sonam Wangchuk condition is stable. He is conscious, and his vital parameters are also said to be stable. For now, let's in the meantime listen into what the police has to say.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और मेडिकल एडवाइस के अनुसार श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से अप्रोप्रिएट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल जो मच नीडेड मेडिकल इंटरवेंशन है उसके लिए ले जाया गया है और अंडर मेडिकल सुपरविजन.
So medical supervision that has been necessitated because of his deteriorating health condition, that is coming in from the Delhi police's side, also asking for the protesters to vacate the protest site at Jantar Mantar, but they are refusing to do so. In fact, have now launched a sit-in protest. Live pictures continue right here on Times Now.